standing body weight windmill. Really great way to warm up the body. And then we may also use this as just a good overall exercise. We may implement into someone's program if we feel like they need a lot of shoulder stability, right? Just good core work, good glute work, and then working on that hinge, right? It's a really great hamstring stretch as well. So I'm gonna start wide with my feet, okay? Now I'm gonna bring my toes to the left. So my feet are about 45-degree angle and I'm wide. If I'm taller, I'm gonna go a little bit wider than normal, right? If I have long legs, I need to give myself room to hinge. Now, my toes are pointed to the left, so my left hand is gonna trace down my left leg. My right arm is gonna reach up towards the ceiling. So I'm working on that shoulder stability, right? Working on that stabilization here. Again, I'm only body weight for right now because I'm just warming up. So I'm here, okay, I'm looking at my imaginary dumbbell, looking at that hand. I'm going to hinge and sliding my hand down, right? So I'm in that hinge position. I'm pulling up, using my oblique, using my right butt cheek. I'm gonna go right back into that. Hinge, pulling up all the way back to that starting position, right? So I'm getting a lot of shoulder work, a lot of core, butt, and then again, I'm really feeling a good stretch in my hamstrings and then a lot into my lat and oblique. Okay, so that is one side. Then I would just flip-flop, right? So now I'm gonna bring my feet to the right. So toes are pointed 45 degrees to the right. Now my right hand's gonna trace down my right leg. Left arm is up. Okay, now looking at that imaginary kettlebell or dumbbell in my hand, I'm going to hinge again, right? Legs stay pretty straight, driving up, using my oblique, using my left butt. Okay, hinge, drive up, squeeze the butt. Okay, so that is your standing body weight windmill.